if you are going to buy safely, do not joke with this point. You have to work with someone who is in the game, who understands the business. The person will have to literally explain to you what is on ground. How do you buy land remotely from abroad? You always know that distance is not a barrier. You can buy safely from wherever you are around the world here in Abuja. And I'm going to tell you how you can, step by step, buy right here in Abuja. Right now, I'm standing at Polo Golf Resort, formerly known as Hotel Royale. This is the new name that it is bearing. The fencing is already coming to shape. You can see that the plasters of the fencing is happening. But let me tell you a little bit about this estate before I list to you step-by-step way on how you can buy safely from Diaspora. First about this property is an FCDA of a property, and it is selling for 10.6 million naira for a 150 square meters. We also have 250 square meters, 400 square meters, 500 square meters, 750 and 2000 square meters, all right here. This is selling at a giveaway price because this is an opportunity for you to buy in a location that is emerging. This just completed its fencing and the gatehouse is coming up. And it's something you can jump in early and watch the transformation happen. The first step on what you can do is request for a digital verification. This also works with either a lawyer or a reputable company. They get to verify, especially when you've seen the property you love, you can verify the property using a body known as Aegis. This helps you get clarity. Also, you can use a lawyer, a property lawyer, as the case may be, to help you ascertain the owner of the property and who you are buying from. Second thing you can do safely, which I always talk about, is use a trusted professional. You agree with me that most of the time, some people are in the business and some people are by the side watching the business. So if you are going to buy safely, do not joke with this point. You have to work with someone who is in the game, who understands the business. The person will have to literally explain to you what is on ground. If you need a virtual inspection, the person gets to show you anything to make you buy safely. They go over and above, ensuring that you buy safely, rather than using someone with a lot of excuses, which eventually will push you to investing in something you are really not sure about. Would you want that for yourself? This third point will sting you a little bit, but I have to say it, which is ask questions as though you are investing your money into the property. A lot of times people shy away from asking the hard questions. Questions like, who owns the property? What title does the property come with? Are there government acquisition issues? Can ownership be independently verified? Can I build what I want to build on this property? What are the terms and conditions of the same property? All these questions are something you need to ask so that you don't, in fact, the one that always stings is, what are the infrastructure fees? What are the development fees? What are the other charges I need to know about this property? And with that, you have clarity. Recently, I got a call and someone needed to get a lot of prices or the fees that the estate is requesting for. After explaining, he said that he's asking to know, in as much as he's using a payment plan, but he needs to get a clarity just to have it at the back of his mind what he's expected to pay. So ask the questions, even if it's too not straight or too not smart, but ask it so that you can get clarity on the property. The last and the final point is never ever buy using just your emotions. All right, sometimes people buy because they love the person talking, they like what they see, looks like here is going to be beautiful and all that, which is good, is a first step to getting you to investing in the location. But much more than that, do all the things that I have mentioned and be rest assured you will buy safely, not minding wherever you are around the world. Investing in Abuja is something that everybody should do. There are lots of reasons to give you and back it up, right? So if you are considering investing in Abuja, whether land, apartments, fully built houses, whatever that you're looking to invest and you want to get sanity, you want to invest right and genuine, okay, there's a number showing on your screen now. You can reach us on that number today and we can help you invest in the property safe and sound. You get on ground, you get to see that whatever we showed you on picture, on video, is the same as what you are seeing on ground. Call us today or save the number for future purposes. Bye.